Hi guys, I'm in Westport right now, and those sounds, I'm hearing them. There's a plane up there right now, but I'm not too sure if that's making that sound. I want to prove this video to be proof, but there's nobody around to confirm it. I don't want to be the only one hearing it, because I feel like I am the only one right now. That's my place. Oh shit, it's kind of creepy, man. It's probably the airport. It's probably something going on at the airport or something. Because the airport's not too far from here. It's like that way, like 10 minutes, but I don't know. Oh shit. There's nothing unusual in the sky, nothing, I don't see anything, but I'm hearing something. Trumpets, 7 trumpets or something, whatever, I don't know, revelations. But that's it, I'm gonna go inside, it's fucking creeping me out. Bye, thanks. See ya, bye.